Well, we made it to Sandy Point. Hallie navigated us in, but we swung around, done a 180 on the anchor. We've done a 180 on the anchor, and we're not dragging or anything, which is good. We saw lightning. We had a lightning storm over before, but the girls are fast asleep and the boat's getting a really good wash. But it is pitch black. It's truly something spectacular, and it's hard to explain, but sometimes you just wonder how you got certain places in life, you know. But here we are, getting pummeled with rain in a nice safe anchorage, which is good for a change. Usually it's not as safe. Unbelievable. There's my dirty dishes. I tell you what, like, this is what we came here for, to do this trip, and unbelievable stuff. We've had whales, dodged bombies, now we've got a thunderstorm, we've got cliffs behind us. Pretty exciting stuff. So after being up all night, this is how close the girls have to be to me at all times.
Yeah, I reckon it's a big tuna. Yeah.
Blub. Fishy blub blub.
Flippy, blub blub, fishy, blub blub, fishy, blub blub.
Well, even after an absolute downpour that we had last night, Isla's bed soaked, everything in the boat's leaking, so we've tried to dry everything out, but it's turned out to be a beautiful day. And what are you looking forward to, Hallie?
I'm going to those mountains and fishing.
Well, we'll go fishing first, and then maybe we might do the mountains tomorrow.
What?
Dude, you can't do everything all in one day, okay? We'll go to the beach, we'll go fishing, all right? Tomorrow, going to the mountains is going to take all day, okay? You want to go on a big hike? Yeah. Tomorrow, all right? And today we'll try and hopefully catch some big fish and catch ourselves some lunch. What do you think, Hallie? Yeah, well, and that's the other thing. I left my phone on charge on the boat and I can't be bothered going back and getting it, so I think we'll just go and try and spot some of these bombies we nearly hit on the way in, and maybe drop a line down there.
Yeah.
See how we go anyway? Oh, don't drop your bottle. Hopefully we can have a little adventure today without the phone and just see what we can discover along the way.
Yeah.
Yep. So, little fella back. Might need to get the spot, I think. Well, there's not much going on. We just emptied all our old bait out just to get rid of it. Eyeless sleeping, so it's just making it a little bit too hard. I can't pull the anchor up or anything, so we're just drifting along. But I think we might go give this one a nap. She's a little bit tuckered out. You got something, Hallie? Oh, good cast. Good cast, chicken. Yeah, he's really nice and slow. Yeah, bit quiet on the western front.
And Dad, that fish was like some fish that I don't know.
That's us. Oof. Bit soft under toe. You ready, Isla? Come on. Just landed the D. We've landed Dora at. Whoop. No, we haven't. Landed Dora at Sandy Point, and we're just gonna take a walk up, and there's a whole range of cliffs up the back here, so hopefully we can walk out to them as long as the girls don't get too upset and too emotional, so we'll give it a crack anyway. Come here, chicken. Oh, wow. Well, 6 pit stops and Isla pooed her pants, so I had to sort that out. And we've made it to the other side of the sand dune, which is about 20 metres.
Come up here.
Wow.
Dad, up here.
You hear that? Hear that bird? That's incredible.
Up here.
What's that?
Stand here. Stand up there. Look.
Wow.
For you, definitely better.
Yeah, let's do it, Hallie. Let's mission it over there. You coming? What's wrong, chicken? Are you trying to catch an animal? Come on, we've got a long way to go, chicken. Little shell.
Oh,
Yep.
means
I mean, I'm no geologist, but I'm pretty sure. A geologist studies rocks, not turtle shells, Hallie. Hallie, look. Where's it even come from? There's nothing around.
yeah, under this.
Well, it's a good thing we're not a vehicle, Hallie. No, I think we'll just go around. It looks like the track's pretty churned up from 4-wheel drives.
Told me what kind of ones they were.
Oh,
We
really?
had them at her place, but I forgot what name they were.
You forgot what name they were?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. Yep, we'll have a party in Exmouth, eh? Whoa! We've come to like a little ravine. It looks like they've had a lot of water flow through here. All down all down the bottom here, they've got waterfall, and the trees are a bit bigger as well, so it's obviously collecting a fair amount of moisture. Wow, what a spot, Hallie.
There's my nest, yeah.
Oh,
We should have one
okay.
of them.
Oh,
What a spot.
unbelievable.
Thank you, mister.
Wow.
So thirsty.
Yeah, oh, let's go up. I didn't bring the kids any water. So,
Yes.
it looks like there's something dripping out of this rock. So, oh yeah, we'll get some of that for sure. Watch out, there's a couple of ants here, Hallie.
Okay.
Oh, shh,
I've got to
shh.
Wow. There's way up here.
Can you stop talking for more than 5 seconds? What does it taste like?
This is like green seaweed. Ugh.
Hang on, I'll give it a try. See, see all the goat poos on here?
Oh, that looks so
Bunch of goat poos. Yeah, for sure. There's
must
heaps all through here.
You must have done poop and you came to the
Yeah, maybe that's why the water tastes a bit funny. Do you want some, Ola? Okay. Dinosaurs out here.
Oh, no pushing.
I just realised, way off in the distance we can see the salter jocks in the bay. How cool is that? Hallie, leave some for Isla, you
Okay.
greedy pig.
Hey, Guana. Yeah, great. Oh, for goodness sake.
You're bloody living the life now, kids. Is that good, Isla?
Yeah. Oh, finally,
Well,
there's
there's a
some
little-
nature fresh water out here.
Yeah, nature fresh.
Yeah, nature fresh water.
Alright, get that top one, Isla. Oh, here, I'll get that bug out. There we go. Drink some of that top one.
I need to find some more. Oh, that's all.
Go. You go, Hallie. Excuse me. Yeah, I think that's better than the water we have on the boat. This is it, Hallie. You ready to get to the top?
Put it up here, Dad.
Wow. Well, I wouldn't drink that water. That's got a few goat poos in it. Just keeps going all the way up. Man, I could do some major exploring here. Wow. That's breathtaking. Not Hallie's breath. Hallie never runs out of breath.
Cool Dad's the explorer, because Cool Dad's the explorer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what this is all about, Hallie. We're going to go see things we've never seen and do things we've never done. You know, Hallie, we might do and see things that no one's ever done. Imagine that.
That's actually a bit spiky.
That's what it's all about.
Okay, we just caught a fish and now it's caught one. There's one. Oh,
You reckon, Ola? Dinner of champions? I'm happy. Just wanted to say thanks for everyone who's watching the videos, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, send to a friend, because it makes a huge difference for us. If you do subscribe, make sure you leave a message down the comment down the bottom, because yeah, we do read them. It's great to hear what people think. Got some pretty huge stuff coming up for 2023, so it goes a long way to making all that happen. Much appreciated.